Hello friends, I am Little Miss Craftos and I am here to do a recycled caterpillar craft with all of you with trash. Yes, you heard that right, trash. Today we're going to turn trash into treasure by making a fun and colorful egg carton caterpillar. And guess what? We also have a wonderful story about a little caterpillar who helps clean up the forest. Are you ready to create and learn? Let's get started. But wait. Before we start, can you wiggle like a caterpillar? Let's all wiggle together. Wiggle. So these are the materials we need. An empty egg carton, paint and trim brushes, pipe cleaners for the antennae, glue or tape, scissors, googly eyes or markers. Please don't forget to ask your parents to help you with the scissors. Now let's paint the caterpillar first. So take your egg carton and paint each section a bright and happy color. You can make it rainbow colored, green like a real caterpillar, or even polka dotted. Let's be creative. Raise your hand if you love painting. What's your favorite color? Let's all say our favorite color together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, such fun choices. Now let's add the eyes and antennae. Now let's give a caterpillar a face. Glue on 2 googly eyes or draw with a marker. Then take a pipe cleaner, bend it in half and poke it into the first section to make fun wiggly antennae. What do you think a caterpillars would say if they could talk? Let's all make a silly caterpillar sound together. Ready? Go! Chomp, 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 chomp. Haha, that was awesome. Let's jump into a story while a caterpillar is dry. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, lived a tiny caterpillar named Coco. Coco loved crawling on leaves and playing with her forest friends. But one day, she noticed something strange. The forest was messy. There were plastic wrappers in the ground, cans near the river, and paper flying in the wind. Oh no! What do you think Coco should do? Should she ignore the mess, or should she clean it up? That's right, she should help, right? Coco knew she had to do something. She gathered her friends, Benny the bunny, Mia the squirrel, Toby the turtle, and said, "We need to clean up our home. Can you help Coco by pretending to pick up some trash? Let's grab. Great job, little helpers." Mia found an old bottle and turned it into a flower vase. Benny used a tin can to store his carrots. Toby made a boat from a plastic lid. "Wow," said Coco. "Recycling is fun." Soon the forest was clean and everyone felt happy. And what do you think Coco made? Yes, Coco made a recycled caterpillar from an egg carton, just like us. Well, something you can reuse at home. A box, a bottle, or maybe an old sock. Let's all think for a second. And on the count of 3, shout out your idea. 1, 2, 3. So many awesome ideas! From that day on, Coco and her friends always reused and recycled. The forest stayed beautiful and they made new treasures from old things. Coco and her friends did an amazing job helping the forest. And guess what? We did too by making our caterpillars out of recycled egg cartons. Raise your hand if you're going to help keep the earth clean. Let's all give ourselves a big round of applause. We did a great job today. Remember, small changes can help the planet. You can recycle at home, make crafts from old things, and keep nature clean. Let's all be like Coco and take care of our world. If you had fun today, give me a big thumbs up and share your caterpillars with us. See you next time for another fun adventure. And yes, if you enjoyed this video, do have a look at our story on reduce, reuse and recycle. That'll definitely help you learn a lot more about reducing and reusing waste and recycling it too. See you soon!